Alright guys, so it's my first video with this Volkswagen Beetle that I bought. It's a 64. And really I'm about to cold start it. It's about 30 degrees outside and it's pretty dark and pretty nasty out here. It's my roommate's Honda over here, and so hopefully it's an old 50-year-old 1200. It's the original engine to this car, and hopefully it'll start. It's pretty late at night, and never had too many issues with it. If I can do this right. Yep, starts like a dream. God damn, it's cold out here. Whew. What Charleston's all about, cold weather. But as you can see, it's a pretty standard interior. It's pretty much how I bought it. Nothing fancy, nothing nuts. Seats are pretty new. Deck lid with a nice set of speakers. I haven't hooked them up yet, but it's a pretty nice car. It's like I said, it's an original 1200 engine. It's custom paint, custom interior. Empty wheels, lowered 2 inches, but picked it up a few months ago and it's been running like a dream ever since. But hopefully I'll be able to give you guys an update on this as it goes on. It'll be a new project for me, and so, see an update soon. Alright, thank you.